Yo, 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 what's up, guys, and welcome to the stream. So, today we are going to be working on the store menus, and we're actually going to be doing it from scratch. So, I've got a couple of icons for the UI, but the way it's going to work is obviously there's these clerks, and this guy is a general store clerk, but we need menus for a general store and a gun store. So, that's what we're going to be doing today. So, what I'm going to do actually. We might as well get the UI icons in here, so we can go to textures, icons. That's an icon. That should be in icons. Okay, there's that. There's a transparent icon. I've got a transparent background. And I will just leave that. Okay, so there we go. So now we've actually got what's this? The armory icon. Where is that used, man? Okay. Reference viewer. Notifications. Uh, all right, that's right. Okay. Yeah, that's the armory, the notification icon. All right, so now we're just going to drag these bad boys in. This is going to be our icons for, this is the general store icon, just a basket. Let me save that. We can go to now, this is the gun store icon, just the body armor. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pretty much, we can go to here. I can show you, this is the table. These are all the items that are going to be listed, or be added to be listed. Actually, I need to add those weapons. Oh wait, actually they're here. Okay, all right, nice, 35. All right, so this has got every single item. So now I can actually list them properly. All right. So what we can do straight away is potentially create a new widget. Okay, inventory slots. Okay, so the way we're going to do it is we're going to pretty much, where is it? There it is, world inventory grid. Okay. No, play inventory grid. Let's see how this is working. Get the grid. Okay. Okay, that's just setting that. Okay, we'll work it out. We'll work it out what we need. But we're going to just create a new widget, obviously. Widget blueprints are store menu main. Okay, store menu main, beautiful. Let's get a canvas going. What will it be? It would probably potentially be a border. Now this obviously will be anchored there. Okay, bang, 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 0.5 on that, center it. 5 on that. Alright, so there it is, alright. Let's just quickly get this going. The brush color. 0.7. Alright. So there's our border. Now, how's it going to work? Okay, so what we can do actually is we can potentially make our slot. Widget blueprint store slot. Store menu. I'll just remove this bit of an OCD thing there. Alright, store slots. So this is the slots, icons. Alright, that's all working. Okay. 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 Okay, create item menu. Okay. Alright, so, well, there's our slot. We'll just get the slot going. Now we need a grid. Where's the grid? Here. Widget blueprint, store grid. Inventory grid. Store. Okay. A uniform grid. Okay, that's what it is. Oh, beautiful. And there's nothing. All right, beautiful. Okay. Where is this? Okay, let's find this. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna need a new drag and drop. Inventory drag and drop. Blueprint, store drag and drop. Oh wait, no, we don't need drag and drops. We don't need any of that. Alright, let's just start building it. Alright, we got that. At least we sort of know what's going on here. Alright, so let's go here. Let's do a border. So what are we gonna need? We're gonna need a horizontal. And in that horizontal, we're gonna need an icon. I mean, an image. Image. Let's go with text. And then we can duplicate that. Alright, so there's that. Alright. Maybe we can put some padding on that. No, it doesn't want to. Put some padding on this. Alright. Okay. Store grid. Alright, beautiful. Alright, what? Okay. This is gonna be store, the store name, obviously. And this is gonna be, we don't need that. Alright. Let's change this. Okay, so now we need to potentially, okay. We'll make that a variable, call this store text, store name text. We'll call this the store icon. This has got to be significantly bigger. Let's go with a 26 maybe. Put some padding on that bad boy. Alright. Store icon. General store. Alright. Okay. So what I could do is I could just transfer the stuff through when I construct it. So what would we be doing? Store type. Let's go with clerk types there. Alright. Store menu main. We're going to construct that in the main, and then we can go construct, event construct. Alright, okay. This is essentially instance editable, expose on spawn. So that's all we need to do there. There's that bad boy. Alright, store type. So now if it's a general store, what we want to do is we want to set brush from texture. Okay. General store. Gun store. Beautiful. All right. General. Gun store. All right, so now we've done that. So now what we need to do, set text, I believe. That'll work. Yep. All right. Okay. All right. That's the event graph. Okay. All right, that's going to work. So now, what do we need to do? Set up inventory grid. Where am I doing the data table? So we've got a component here we can use to do this stuff. So we've got the line trace and that in there, but what I want to do is check out this. No, I want to set up the inventory grid. So I'm just sort of trying to work out. I'm sort of copying the way the inventory does it, because this is how I've done it before. I've done this before. All right, so all right, there we go. Set up grid or something. What? What? Set up inventory grid. There it is. All right, so okay, that's creating the slots, but the inventory contents. Okay. So now we need a contents to loop through and stuff. Okay. Row name. Okay. So theoretically, we can. Alright, so what I'll do is when I create the store menu, I will just set all the variables right, and then this will happen, and then we can go with a function here and call setup store grid. We can go like this. So when it constructs, it sets the right sets everything properly, and then we set up a store grid, which will be like we need a get data table row. Let me just quickly compile that save and quickly just jump over. See you guys in the chat. Shout out to nobody on YouTube. Shout out to the free watching on YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Notify YouTube to send more people in here. Shout out to the 2 watching on Twitch. But that's where we are. Alright, so data tables. We need pickup info. Row name. Interesting. Get all data table rows. Data table row. There we go. Beautiful. I knew there was a node that I used before, so we can get all of them. For each. We don't need a break. Alright. So that one. So now we've got information. This is our information here. So now we're looping every single one. And then we're creating, okay. And then we're creating this. Now we're creating the grids. Store grid, or is that slot? Store slot. Okay, this is the information it needs. Okay. Sorry, the OCD there, whatever. Yeah, that works. Okay. You know what? I'll just do this. Alright. So now we've got the pickup row name, item amount. Interesting. I'm gonna have to make a function. Process item amount. How do you, oh, pure costs. Alright. Pure function. To get item amount, row name. Item row name. Okay. Alright, we've got a default one, beautiful. Alright, so which ones are not, I mean, what type of data tables? Alright, one medikit, everything's one. Except bobby pins and ammo. Revolver ammo. Shotgun ammo. Automatic ammo. Burst ammo. Sniper ammo. Oh, SMG ammo. Revolver, shotgun, SMG, rifle, and sniper. You clown. Okay. It's an integer. Now we can potentially go like this. So there's 20 bobby pins per pack. Let's just triple check that. Uh, uh, 20 pack. And the ammo. Okay. So handgun, revolver, SMG, sniper. Handgun, revolver, SMG. Sniper. Okay. Shotgun's 18. Oh, look at these tabs, man. Shotgun is 18. And 36 for the rifle. Move all this, man. Rifle. Up as the default is 1. Oh, wait. I don't even need to store this type of information. Oh, wait. Yeah, I do. Because I need to display it. Okay. So everything else is 1. I don't know if I did it this way before, but we'll just go with it. Okay. What? Oh, there's no return. Okay. Oh man, you're kidding me. Twenty. 25 for them. What am I doing? And 36 for the rifle. What happened? 36 for the rifle? Okay. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so 20, 25, 18, 36, and 1. What am I doing, man? Alright, that's just gonna work. Interesting. World item. In the store. In the slots. Oh, no. Oh, we might need that. This would just be where we use, oh wait, no, mouse button down, then it opens up the menu. So now we need a menu. Widget blueprint, store, menu. Okay. So there's that logic for the slot, okay. So the inventory widget main will be self. Yeah. Inventory main, okay. Store main widget. Store main. What? I've already got a store menu? I've already got a store menu? What the? Okay. It must be in here. What? Oh, that's the store menu. Okay. I need to rename these, man, because that just got way confusing. So we've got store menu, store main. Okay, wait for it. Widget blueprint, store main, and now we've got store slot. Okay. So store slot, store grid, store main, store menu. Okay, beautiful. This is probably not going to compile. Oh, yes, I will. Okay. All right. Inventory index. We could just use that. All right. The owning player. All right, so now that's creating the grid. Let's just start from start, from the initiation point. So we go into clerks, and now we can running client, show store menu. All right, so interact with it. I'd needed some sort of interaction with the NPC, like an NPC interface or something. BPI NPC functions. Get. Oh, there is a clerk reference. Get clerk reference. Already got that. I think I got it. There it is. There, look. Clerks. Get clerk reference. Interact with clerk. All right, beautiful. All right, so now. All right, so the initiation points will be the interaction. Interactions, okay. This point here, okay. So this, that's interact with the actor for that. I mean, that's right, interact with actor. I need to go to the actor. Ah, there it is. Right, there's the initiation point. And of course we haven't got the interesting. What? Oh, this. Oh, okay. So it's just interacting with the actor on the pickups. Okay. Interesting. Where am I going to get the player from? The player reference. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Interact. Getting a little bit confused here. Okay. Scan for interactables. That's what it is. Toggle actor outline. We don't want that. So, okay. Ah. This all needs to be revealed. Okay. That's not what I want to happen. We don't want this to happen. We only want pickups and weapons. So this can be completely ignored. Because now we're having interactions through points, interaction points. Okay, and then we press E inside the interactions. Where am I calling this, man? Okay, there it is. Oh, yeah, interact with point. Okay, interact with clerk. So connecting actor, this is where I can pass it through. So interact with clerk. Needs a character reference. Alright. Beautiful. Now things are going to start making sense. Okay. So this is where we can get clerks. And we can I say show. Beautiful. But in I say show, we'd probably want to do is viewing store menu. Is viewing store. Okay. so now we know. So now if they interact, press E again with the interaction point, it will close the menu so that we can do it like that. So now what we want to do is create a widget. Uh, where's this character reference getting set, man? Okay. I've got to change all the interfaces. That's not an interface I thought it was. Alright, okay, show store menu. Now we can, widget blueprint, store main. And the type of store, we can pass through here. Store type. Clerk types. Theoretically go into there, and we can go like this. Let's just get that. That's just gonna work for now. We can go like that. Okay. Store main widget. But first we want to go like this now. Alright, now I'm just adding it to the viewport. Set mouse cursor. Set show mouse cursor. I won't worry about the input being blocked now, but we can do that. And then we've got to do what? Set input mode. I think that one would be the better approach for now. And then I'll just, now once I build the base, then I go through and I'll optimize it, rebuild it sort of thing. So there's that. The widget in focus is this one. Okay. We can flash input. Hide cursor during capture. No. Alright. Okay. Alright. So now we're opening it up. Okay, we've got to workouts, and we're going to send that through, which would be here, I guess. Alright, so store menu, creates the main. Creates the main, and then let me just save everything. And then on the construct of the main, inventory main, let's get rid of that, it's just confusing. Alright. And then on the construct of the main, we set the icon, and then we show the inventory grid, which is looping through all the tables and listing the slots. Oh, that's right. I gotta do something. I gotta do checks here. That's what I need. So I can determine which one's which. So stop that. Okay. General store, gun store. Okay. Switching that. So gun store can be that. And I've got to fix this up. Bit of a clean up there. Alright. So now if it's a general store, all we want to create are consumables and tools and tech. The gun store does the rest. Well, this is only gonna like put them all into the same grid. All right, so now set up store menu. Uh, Set up store grid. Okay, and now we just need to go quickly check inventory main. Okay, it does that. Oh, I don't think we need them. Maybe we might. Oh, okay, so that's putting it into the grid, then it's removing it, and then it's clearing it. Oh, so I'm gonna have to do this anyway, because that's... So set up store grid, okay. Why am I doing this in there? Oh, we'll just do it here. Oh, that's just showing the store menu. That's just showing the store menu. What am I doing there? Set up inventory grid. It's inside here. Oh, it is. What am I... Okay, store grid. Okay. This is where I want to be. Oh, it is the main. Oh, there, that's what it is. Okay. Local store grid. We need to do a lot of stuff here. Let's just move all these away down here. Alright, so local store grid, and then we're looping through the local store grids and removing from the parents, and then we're clearing. So that's essential, just in case you go from a gun store to a general store and vice versa. It needs to it needs to remove all what's been stored. So local. What am I doing, man? This is not where I want to do it. Let's just get rid of this for a second. Uh, okay, so this is what I've got to redo this. So we've got all inventory slots. That's a local store grid. All store slots. And now we've got the local grid. Or no. Store slots. There's the store slots. Local all store slots. Okay. All store slots. Okay, these are store slots, yep. Create the local store slots. What? Ah, store slots. Okay, there's the local slots. So all the store slots are now the local store slots. And now we can just do that. Promote to a variable, local store grid. Okay. So now we've got all the store slots and the store grid saved to something. Now what we want to do is local store slots, I believe. So there we go. Want to remove from parent, then clear the local slots. Okay. So now we've resetted the slots. That would have been hilarious if I didn't connect that and it took me a while to work it out. So there we go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a 10-second break, jump over to the comments. No, we don't need this. Shout out to Lonely Fades. How you doing, mate? Just Jason, you. How you doing, mate? The game is coming along well, brother. Although I know it's quite a journey still left ahead of us. I will say that I'm excited for the finished product. That's good to hear, man. Well, hopefully, sometime next year we'll be up in beta testing. So, how you doing, Dr. Elliot on Twitch? Howdy, mate. What you working on? Just store menus, pretty much. Pretty much just clerk store menus where you can go buy items from a general store and a gun store. So that's what we're doing, and then we're going into the slot loop, which is what we want. Okay. So now we're making all the slots, and we obviously got to add it to our new slot. Which one is it though? Local inventory store widgets. There might not be enough slots actually for all of the items. So I'm gonna have to make tabs so you can, consumable tab, tool tab, tech tab, firearm tab, or weapon tab, attachment tab. So I really got to do that. But right now they're all just going to be in the one grid. We're trying to get it working. That's all we're trying to do right now. So we go there. Now we're adding it, and now we add the uniform grid. In the local grid. Local inventory grid. Store grid, beautiful. So what's the context? Is this. Okay. That's just making them 7 long, I think. Dividing by 7. Yeah, it's 7 slots long. So there we go. We're literally, that's what we need to do. we literally just need to, pretty much. Let's see if we can just go like this and hope for the best. Okay. So now if it's a gun store, we want to do everything but that. So firearms, melees, attachments, and ammo. I've got a feeling that there's going to be way too many. Okay, so now we're creating a slot. So essentially now when we, it should actually pop up now. Let's just see what happens. So we'll run in. That's just setting up the grid. It's creating the uniform, okay. And then what are we doing here? On completed, we return but that's not creating the empty slots, actually. So where are we creating the empty slots? Uh, Here's the empty slots here. Load inventory from save game. Okay. This is essentially what I should be doing. Going to here. Links. Okay. So that's the length. So that means the last slot, it starts at the last slot. Inventory slot amount. Interesting. Now I actually need to store that type of... Am I even using this? Okay. Process item amount. I can just use that. Uh, oh, what? That's going to be a pickle. I'm going to have to work that out. So let's just see if it's actually going to work. Alright. So essentially you should be able to interact with the NPC and we should see a grid of consumables and tools or a menu. And then there's no clicking logic yet. But you right click it on it to get the information obviously and then just click a buy button. But see the slots, what am I doing? The slot blueprint's got errors in it. I have to redo that. Okay. But this is all we're trying to do. We're pretty much just trying to list all the possible items for the specific store. man, I'm gonna have to do this. Inventory slots, our store slot. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's the item amount. Okay. This should theoretically still work. Why am I even doing that? Okay. So that's the creation of the slot. So what's this? Remove drag item. We don't need that. But we do need mouse down events. So this is where the item menu is created. Okay. Uh, we can remove that and that. We just need this now. If it's a left mouse button and it's not empty and the menu is not already valid, okay. Uh, close item menu, okay. Store menu. Okay. So removing it and then recreating it. Store menu. Okay. There won't be a split anymore. Okay, let's just theoretically we can get rid of that, that, and that, and turn this to a buy button, buy text, buy. Okay. Close button, buy button. Um, Item purchased. We'll just do that for now. Alright, so now we can get rid of that. Check if ammo will fit. That's going to come in handy actually. So we'll leave that for now. Item row name. Input amount. Oh, we don't need that. Okay, beautiful. Didn't I just do those? There's the store menu, store slot. Okay, this is where that logic is. So if it's a right button, that's right. Left button, what do we want to do? Nothing. Okay. I've got to clean this whole inventory system up. It's actually a tutorial. Okay, there's that inventory slot reference, which will be self. Alright. What? Inventory slot? Okay. So now that should work fine. So we've got the slot, we've got the... Let's see if the grid's going to want to compile. There's nothing in the grid actually. So the store menu's done. Now we've got that. So now if we click on buy, it should show up now, and then alright, so now we should be able to load in. No issues. What should happen is once we interact with the NPC, a menu should pop up. We should be able to right click on an item, see the item information, and then click buy. And then a little print screen should come up saying purchased. And then I just got to do purchasing logic, which is essentially adding things to their inventory and checking if they can fit and all that sort of stuff. I've already got some logic to see if the ammo is going to fit. Because yeah, I think I put a limitation on 1,000 max ammo you can hold, so you can't hold more than 1,000 rounds of ammo of each type of ammo. Just so people haven't got 20, 30,000 rounds of ammo on that. Okay, cross fingers, guys. Knock on wood. All right, all right. Let's see it. Boom, 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 boom. Heartbeat. And nothing's happening. Of course nothing's happening. Maybe I'm not even doing anything. Maybe this isn't actually working. Interact with clerk. Show store menu. Okay, I haven't quite finished this yet, I believe. Okay. Store main, yes. The right clerk type, yes. That didn't even pop up. Okay. Ah. Not Boolean there, it was simply that. Is that the only one connected? Yes, okay. So now it should work. It was essentially removing it from the parent, which it isn't even in. Like it was doing nothing, essentially. So not much more. It's not as complex as the inventory system, but it's literally just using the same logic to create a similar grid of items with the same menu pop-up. So it suits the inventory essentially. All right, guys, knock on wood, knock on wood. And of course, nothing's happening. Let's start debugging. We'll start from the initiation point, which is actually there. Oh wait, yeah, interact with clerk. That's what it is. But I think I have to transfer something through. Interact with clerk. Interact with clerk. Here, there it is. There, the character reference. I knew it. So now it should work, guys. Now we're actually going to be interacting with the clerk, or at least sending the right information over. So now it should work for the third time. Come on, man. I just want the thing to open up with the correct items, the menu open up, and then press the button and it says item purchased. And then I know I'm done. Okay, come on. I'll check the comments in a second, guys. So if you want to ask me something, now's the time. Okay, store menu's opening, but grid's not having a bar of it. Alright, so that's opening. Okay, are we setting up store grids on initiations? Yep, setting up store grids. And then we're removing everything, clearing it, and then we're doing set operations. Maybe the return node matters. Okay. It said, it only says store actually. So this, that's right, we've got to do all that type of stuff. Oh no, that's already been, okay. Okay. We could theoretically go like this. Okay. So maybe those little things would help. But so when this is, then it's setting up the store grid, okay. We're removing everything and then we're going into a loop and we're adding everything into the local slots and we're adding it to the uniform store grid. There, that seems about right. And we're adding to the local store slots. Okay, that seems to be right. Adding it to the local store slots. No, I'm pretty sure we'd have to add it to the all store slots. because all store slots is getting set there into the local, and then we're looping through the local, and then we're clearing the local. Okay. Okay. And then local store slots, local store slots, and then at the end we could potentially go like this. I'm pretty sure this is what's I'm assuming that was the missing logic. Okay. Mm. Yeah, yeah, once it's done then we just set it. Okay. So the grid wasn't showing before, but hopefully it was shown. I don't even think the name and that was set up properly. So we're probably not sending all that information through properly. So we'll start from the initiation again and work it out. But we'll see what happens now. Oh, I can't see. Oh, I'll jump in the comments just after these guys if I can remember, but okay, nothing's happening. Let me jump over to the comments. Shout out to the 5 watching on YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Shout out to the 1 watching on Twitch. But okay. So from the initiation, interacted with clerk. That's not even happening. So that means interact with points is not working. Or did that come up? Interact with point. Interact with points. I betcha. I haven't even connected that NPC to the interaction point. Yeah, it's this guy here. Okay. So the connecting actor. Oh, the connecting actor, okay. Oh, wait, okay. So now we should be calling that, which will be on here. Now we'll call that. It's getting passed through. Maybe the interaction type's different. It's an NPC clerk. And we enter that. It should show. Oh, it is showing actually. So if it's valid, we want to do that. None of this information is getting set. Oh, yes, it is here. Store main, and then I feel that's. Okay. Let's just see if the interacting thing comes up. So I'm probably gonna have to work this out off stream. Depends how long we've been going for this. If I can see, 1.5 hours. Well, probably gonna have to. If this doesn't get rectified very soon, I might have to just stop the stream and work it out. It's just hard to think, while you're trying to entertain people on a live stream as well. Like I've got to try to keep speaking. Make sure things are not dragging on, entertaining and stuff like that. So I've got to think about those types of things. But okay. So nothing's getting set at all. Interesting. I bet you the NPC doesn't have the interface. That's probably what it is. Oh wait, it does, or it wouldn't have the event. Oh, it's interactive with clerks. So it's working. It's just not setting up properly by the looks of it. Store slots. Maybe it's not because of the owning player. It can't be. Oh well, but that's practically how it works. You're essentially just looping through information and then you're just like creating the slot, sending all the information through to the slots. Yeah, that's right. Store main widget, yep. Maybe the inventory index. Oh no, that would be the actual index. But yeah, that's pretty much how it is. What I'm going to have to do is I'm just going to have to look through it all, bug test completely until we can get it going. But that's probably where we're interacting with clerk. We don't need to do that because we are actually interacting. But this just doesn't want to cooperate. Is viewing store. If they're not viewing the store, then we want to view it again. And if they are viewing the store, we want to remove it. But that's pretty much where we are, guys. That's probably where I'm going to leave this live stream. So shout out to the 1 watching on Twitch and the 5 watching on YouTube. But that's probably where I'm going to leave it, guys. I don't want to leave these super too long. But jump in the comments if you reckon I should go a little bit longer, like in these streams. But we're going for an hour and a half. That's probably where I'm going to leave it. We pretty much got there. We've built it. It's just not working properly. Usually what happens in the streams. And then I sort of just work it out afterwards off stream. It's a lot easier to think when I'm not live streaming. And I usually revamp it completely. Once I got it working, I can see how it works. I know how to optimize it. It's easy to know how to optimize it from there on. But that's probably where I'm going to leave that, guys. I think we've done a little bit today. So that's pretty much how store menus work. Pretty simple. Data tables, very useful things. I love data tables. Alright, so yeah, that's probably where I'm going to leave it, guys. But if you're wondering what this game is, Ethan says, have a great night. Looks great. I got faith in you. Thanks, man. Shout out to the 2 watching on Twitch and the 6 watching on YouTube, but that's probably where I'm going to leave it. I'll probably sit here and talk to you guys for a little bit longer, but if you're wondering what this game is, hit the link in the description. If you go into the description, you'll see, oh wait, if you actually go to my YouTube channel and go to the devlogs, you can actually see the devlogs. Here's the playlist for these live streams. We've got the project documentation if you want to learn more about the game. Or if you'd like to join the gaming Discord, the actual game Discord for the game, it's the community Discord here, which is actually this guy over here, which is our official, Justice County Roleplay official server. We've got 134 people here. I post news, random videos, shorts, devlogs. We've got reviews, review by Big Fry TV, and the game devs here. We've also got a change log, the credits, which is yet to be updated with all these new assets I'm using, and my socials. Obviously, you've got a general section. This is where anyone can post. We've got suggestions, questions. I post polls, jobs sort of pop up here every now and then, or if you'd like to become a moderator, you can go there, and we've obviously got some voice channels and that. But that's pretty much where we are, guys. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next stream, which will potentially be tomorrow or the next day. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.